Hi, I'm Shri. Welcome to my channel. This is an unboxing of Canon M50 camera and Sigma 16mm lens. I have been enjoying the creative process of making videos and I decided to take my camera game to the next level. So far I have only been filming on iPhone, and after doing some research on what's a good camera for YouTube, I narrowed in on Canon M50 and Sigma 16mm lens. So here's the unboxing. So this is the 16mm Sigma lens, and this is the Canon M50 camera, and I ordered it through Amazon. They were back ordered for a while, and it took a while to get here. The Sigma lenses were already here, but the camera took a while to get shipped. Here it is. Canon EOS M50 Mark II. Alright. Came in this red box. So it has a limited warranty card, some flyer, manual, getting started one, registration stuff. It has a camera strap, a battery, and camera wrapped in bubble wrap. Let me open that the last. And charger for the battery. Set this up there. I just ordered the body and I didn't get the additional lens that comes by default. So I'll be using this for YouTube. So I didn't buy the additional lens. I didn't think that I was going to use that default lens, and I just got the body. So here is just the body, and so far it feels pretty light. The screen, okay, nice. It feels light and sturdy. Oh my god, nice. Now I'm going to unbox the Sigma 16mm f1.4 lens for Canon. It has its warranty sticker, okay, and limited warranty. The lens. The lens feels a little bit heavy. I don't know if the lens is heavier than the camera. This is a new thing for me. I've never invested in a camera. I've never invested in a really good camera, and always went with the default lens. Never bought any lenses either. Wow. Okay. What is this and why do I need this? This way? Okay, I'm gonna try and fit this lens onto this camera. Let me put the camera on bubble wrap. And, okay, I heard a clock. I think that's pretty much it. This feels nice. Let me put on the battery. It has a HDMI cable input. Right. Card and battery. Okay. I hope battery has some juice in it. Right. Turn it on. Take out this lens. Okay, when I immediately open it, it asks me to set date, time and zoom. I'm gonna do this later. But yeah, I'm pretty excited to start shooting with this camera. I also got so the lens actually came with few other things. As a bundle, I got this bag, koah DSLR bag. And I got it on Amazon. They also included a 64 GB memory card. I'm going to figure out how to assemble the camera and lenses into this camera bag a little bit later. There you go, that was the unboxing. I'm excited to take this camera on new adventures with me and capture some amazing footage.